What's up, y'all? This is your boy JP the Install Guy, here to make your install life just a tad bit easier. Today we got 2012 Honda Civic, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out and install your very own radio. This is your first time here, please consider subscribing. These are the things that we do: car audio tutorials, radio removals, anything car audio installed. That's what this channel is about. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing that you guys want to actually do is come over here to the instrument cluster. This part is just going to pop out because it's only held in by clips. You can use your panel removal tool, but if you know where you're pulling at, you can just use your hand, and of course use that light pressure. Now we don't need to pull it all the way off, just need to get it out the way so we can actually get to this radio. Now next, let me turn my light on. You're gonna come to this little pocket and you're gonna have two Phillips screws right here that need to come out. So let's get those out. All right, so now that we got that piece out, I'll take my little low profile. It needs to come down like that. Got that one. See if I can't get my hand up under there. There we go. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and take the harness out. Alright, so we got that piece out, and we're just going to go ahead and set it over here. Now we are going to be using the flush mount USB right here so she can use her Apple CarPlay. If you guys want to know how to do that, I will link that video for you. And lastly, the thing that's holding that radio in is not just the clips, but these two 8mm bolts. So you can use your Phillips head screw or a 8mm socket to get those out. I actually advise you guys use the 8mm socket. That way you don't have to worry about trying to strip that screw using the Phillips head. So let's go ahead and get these two out. And so now that we have this part out and we have those out, we should be able to just pull that forward, just like that. Take out the harness and the antennas. Alright, y'all, so we can see we got the harness out, got the radio right here. Now let's get over here to the bench so we can get that radio inside the dash, get it wired up, and get back inside the car. We are here on the bench, got the radio right there. This is the dash kit. I will put all these links in the description for you. First thing you want to do is flip this thing over, just like that. And then we want to actually take this over here, and you want to mount it right there. Now it does come with some screws, so what we want to do is put two screws on this side of the bracket as it mounts in the hole like that. Now you should have these facing towards the inside, which will actually mimic what the factory radio does. Then we take our radio, put it in face down. It's going to sit like that, and now these should line up, and we're going to take the screws that came with the radio and put two on each side. Alright, so now that's what it looks like when it's in. Let's go ahead and get it wired up, get it back inside the car. Alright, y'all, so we're back inside the car. I got everything wired up. This is your first time here. You're probably asking yourself, why didn't I actually go over the wiring? Well, here at this channel, we mainly do radio removal and install videos, and I didn't want to take too much time going over the wiring every single time I make a video, but I didn't forget about y'all. I made one video showing y'all how to wire up a CD player. I go over wire colors, what that means, different types of connections. Yes, every car is different, but as long as you know what these wire colors mean and you buy the harness that you're supposed to have for your vehicle, then you can literally install any radio. That way, for the person who knows how to wire up a radio, we keep it short, sweet, straight to the point, and efficient as possible. If you don't know how to wire up a radio, I have secondary resources that you can utilize. That way everybody gets what they need. Now let's just say you accidentally cut your wire harness, or you bought this car used and you don't have a wire harness. I have videos showing you guys how to hardwire a CD player or touchscreen. All that stuff will be in the how-to playlist. And for the person who needs those wire colors, because that's your exact situation, I give that information to all my Patreons. Those guys go the extra mile in supporting me in the channel, so I make sure I go the extra mile to support personalized one-on-one training, wire colors, and all that type of stuff as well. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get this thing pushed back in so you can at least see what it looks like when it's all said and done. Alright, y'all, so this right here is the finished product. Looks pretty good. If you look down here, we do have that, I'll turn that light on. We do have that flush mount USB, so you'll be able to use their Apple CarPlay and their Android Auto through here. Like I said, link in the description so you guys can see how to install that. But if you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. The product links will be in the description, at least the ones that I can find, and that Patreon link, if you want to be a furthermore supporter, will be in the description as well. And if you don't want to be tied down to anything long term, there's a little heart down here that says thanks. Not asking anybody to do anything that they don't want to do, but anything that you do is greatly appreciated. So this your boy JP signing out. I'll catch y'all at the next car, man. Y'all have a blessed day.